Chapter 5 Coordinate Geometry. Dear students, today we are going to learn section formula, midpoint formula and centroid formula. Before that, we revise some points like the number line. This is the number line. This is point O. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Q, O and P, R. These are the points on the number line. You know that. And these are the coordinates of the given points. Coordinate of point Q is -5. Coordinate of point P is -1. Coordinate of O is origin 0. And coordinate of point R is 4. And you know how to find the distance between 2 points. Suppose we want to find distance between point P and Q. Then subtract smaller number from the greater number. Here P is a greater number, so subtract -5 from the -1. So we write here -1 minus in bracket -5. Solve the bracket. -1 minus become plus 5 is equal to 4. 5 minus 1 is a 4. Means distance between these 2 points P and Q is a 4. You know this. Now 2 points on the x-axis. Like this, we can find out the any 2 points. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Like number line, any 2 points on the axis are like the points on the number line. So we don't discuss this. Now you also know that the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Coordinate of origin are 0, 0. We know this. Now you also know this. Suppose these are 3 lines. These are 3 lines, parallel lines. Line L, line M and line N. These are 3 parallel lines. And line P and line Q, these are the transversal. P and Q are transversal, and line L, M and N, these 3 lines are parallel lines. These lines, line P intersect line L, M, N in the point ABC, A, B and C. And transversal Q intersect the element in D, E, F. Then we get the ratio. Ratio on the line P, AB upon BC is equal to DE upon EF. These both ratios are the equal. Now we know this is point P, this is point A and this is point B. Distance between AP is a 6 and distance between PQ is 10. Distance of AP is 6 and distance of PV is a 10. Then we get a ratio AP upon PV, that is 6 upon 10, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. So we get the ratio 3 upon 5, that is 3:5. We can say that the point P divide the line segment AB in the ratio 3:5. To find the coordinates between any two points on the axis. Now, to find the coordinates of point on a segment which divides the line segment into two given points. This is y dash y. Now, line segment AB is in a plane, and that line AB divides point P in the ratio m:/n. In the plane line segment AB, we have given line segment AB, and this point P divide this line segment in the ratio m:/n ratio. So let the point A, let coordinates of A are x1, y1, coordinates of B are x2, y2, and coordinates of point P are pxy. Now draw this line perpendicular to y axis. Draw line AC perpendicular to x axis. Again draw this perpendicular line from point P, that is PQ, line segment PQ perpendicular to x axis, and BD, draw this line segment BD perpendicular to